horsepower over the 62cc with not much bigger of a bar, and I just think it has better controls like the on-off and the push button primer. So I'm super happy with it. I'm glad I got it. And it was on sale for $144. I think it's just under $200 now, and it's worth every bit of that for sure. And I'm really enjoying it. I'm glad I bought it. It is a little hard to get your fingers just right on that. This stuff's smoking a little bit. With that open port exhaust, that's why they say without a screen is dangerous for forestry work.